Hello, I'm Wenatchee School District Superintendent Kory Kalahar, and this week on Budget Bites, let's explore the specific programs and services supported by the Educational Program and Operations Levy, also known as the EP&O Levy. These levy dollars are crucial for maintaining the quality of education we provide our students, and the levy helps fund a wide range of areas including staffing, programs, and essential resources. The levy helps fund staffing above and beyond what the state funds. This includes our classroom assistants, our custodians, safety and security, grounds and maintenance, teachers, and support staff. It also ensures we can hire specialists in the areas like music, art, special education, and technology. Levy dollars support extracurricular activities such as athletics, clubs, after-school activities, and music programs. They also fund enrichment programs like advanced placement courses, highly capable programs, and AVID. The levy provides funding for technology, including our student devices, the software on those devices, and all of the technical support to run those devices. It also covers transportation, facility maintenance, and classroom supplies. The levy also maintains our schools and our athletic facilities that are heavily used by this community. In all, as I mentioned before, the levy comprises 12% of our total budget and is essential for learning and maintaining high-quality student opportunities. Additionally, it enables us to employ hundreds of local and dedicated folks to support student success. Without these levy-funded resources, our district would face very difficult decisions regarding potential program and service cuts, totaling up to $13.7 million in the first year and $20.2 million in the second year. We have to remember and know that when our schools are strong, our community thrives. And please remember to vote on February 11.